Our first video, I already taken the monomial means what, binomial means what, and trinomial means what. One more term is there, polynomial. Polynomial means in that one, more than 3 terms are there. See here I am showing one example, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. See here you can see more than 3 terms are there. More than 3 terms will be there. They are called as a polynomials. Okay, and using this all concept, you want to start the practice set number 32. See in the 32 they ask here, classify the following algebraic expression as a monomial, binomial and trinomial. See here you want to make the column like a monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. And here whatever they are given the expressions, you want to classify it. How to classify? See here I am showing the table. I am not writing this all question, but here I am showing the answer how to be write. Here see, they are given here monomial. See is there 7x a 4 9p minus 5m is there. Binomial means 5y minus 7z is there, and a 5m minus 3 is there. Again trinomial 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. Here 3 terms are there. And a polynomial means here more than 3 terms will come. Then this is about the practice set number 32 is there. In that you want to classify the who is a monomial, who is a binomial, and who is a trinomial, and who is a polynomial. Now we'll go for our practice set number 33. Before to start the practice set number 33, I want to show what to do here in the practice set number 32. In that one 33, what to do? Here see addition of monomial you want to do it. See here they are given some variable, some expression they will give you. Here you want to add this expression. How you can add this expression? See when you are adding the expression, what to do here? See here I will take the one example, that is 2x plus 4y in one they are, and here you want to add it. Then when you are adding, that time you open the bracket in a second step, and afterwards whatever the like terms are there, see you collect that like terms, 2x plus 3x, 4y plus 2y, then what will come? That is a 5x plus 6y will come. And this method is called as a horizontal arrangement. Okay, and one more arrangement is there, that is a vertical arrangement is there. In that one you write this expression 2x plus 4y, between you write plus sign, and here 3x plus 2y. Here see 4 plus 2 6, y will be as it is y, and again 2x plus 3, here 2 plus 3 you have to add, only you have to add the coefficient. Don't add this x and x. Here x will come x only, that is a 2x plus 3x will come 5x. Then here two methods are there, one is a horizontal arrangement, one is a vertical arrangement. In exam you can go for any one method, which one are easy for it. Both the time will get a here same answer. Okay, then one more equation, one more example I am taking. See here 9x square y square minus 7xy. Here 3x square y square plus 4xy. See here I am doing, first I am showing the horizontal arrangement. See in that one 9x square y square minus 7xy bracket plus 3x square y square plus 4xy. See now in the second step you open the bracket. Here see outside the bracket plus sign is there. Therefore as it is, this all term will become, and now afterward you collect the like term. See here 9x square y square, like term will be 3x square y square. See with the sign we have to collect. Again here minus 7xy plus 4xy. See here, and here 9 plus 3 will come 12x square y square will come, and here minus 7xy plus 4xy, you know it, minus plus minus you want to do, and greater number or bigger number sign we have to put it. Means 7 minus 4 will come 3, and a bigger number sign is here minus, therefore minus 3xy will come. See here you are doing the addition, but anywhere any term having a minus sign, that time you have to take as it is that minus sign, and according to that we have to do here plus or minus. And this is about the horizontal arrangement. And the same way you can go for our vertical arrangement. See here 9x square y square minus 7xy plus 3x square y square plus 4xy. Then here see minus plus, what to do here, minus and bigger number sign, means 7 minus 4 will come here 3, and a bigger number sign will come here minus 3xy, and here 9 plus 3 here addition 12x square y square will come. In both the vertical and horizontal arrangement will get answer same, and in exam any one method you can solve this example. Then here same way, here how they are given here solved example, in the same way we want to solve the practice set number 33. Here I am showing that practice set number 33, some example how to do it. See here I have shown 2-3 example with both the method, horizontal as well as vertical method I shown. But afterward, for third example, I use here horizontal method. In exam, you can use any one method, horizontal method or vertical method. In exam, you have to not to solve both the way. Any one method you have to select for solving the example. Then this way you can solve the practice set number 33, that is the addition of our expressions. Okay, in the next video, we'll see the next part.